In this video, we're going to have a look at integration by substitution to integrate this trigonometric equation. Now, how you know to use substitution and not parts, I'll show you a little trick actually. So we know that when two functions are multiplied together and you integrate them, we either use substitution or parts. Whenever it's two different types of functions, like here we have an algebraic function multiplied by a trig function, x times sin x, you always use integration by parts. However, when you're multiplying two of the same types of functions, so here we have a trigonometric function multiplied by a trig function, that's the way you use integration by substitution at all times. Now, a lot of students struggle with this because they don't know what to use as substitution. It doesn't quite make sense to use u as sin x, because if we differentiate sin x, we get that it's equal to cos x. But that doesn't allow us to replace this cos squared x. And you can't just square both sides, because that gets you to du squared, dx squared, which is just a whole nother problem. You also can't really introduce u as cos squared x, because if you do that, then you need to know the differential of sin x. Now, technically you can do that, but when you do that, you'll find that there's no way that you can use it to replace sin x. If instead you replace u with cos x, in that case, cos squared x would just be replaced with u squared. Not only that, but we know that du dx is the differential of cos x, which is minus sin x. That helps because after multiplying both sides by dx, so du equals minus sin x dx, and multiplying both sides by minus 1, so minus du equals sin x dx, we can now see that if I get my highlighter tool out, sin x dx in this current integral can be replaced with minus du. Not only that, but cos squared can be replaced with u squared. So let's do that. We get the integral of minus u squared du, minus u squared du. And that's a lot easier to integrate now. So you add 1 to the power and you divide by the power, remembering to include the constant at the end, so that's minus u cubed over 3. And you also have to remember to, like I said, include the constant at the end. As your final answer, you don't want to include u in it, so you want to replace u with cos x, so it becomes minus cos cubed x all over 3 plus c. And that's everything for this question. Hopefully this video helped clear a few things up. Be sure to like and subscribe if you did, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I hope this video helped. If you have any tutoring inquiries, be sure to visit my website www.excellineducation.co.uk. It's on the first link in the description too.